answer your worksheet correctly. So let's start with our lesson for today. Let's go. So now we're here with our lesson for today about visual arts. Again, visual arts. Okay, so let's start first with our vocabulary. Again, vocabulary. We are going to read 5 vocabularies for today's lesson. So number 1 is shapes. Shapes. Okay, very good. Number 2, we have forms. 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 Okay, number 3, we have colors. Colors. Number 4, we have line. Line. Number 5, we have dots. Again, dots. Okay, so those are your vocabulary for today. Now let's move on with the basic elements. Basic elements. Okay, so the first basic element is your line. Again, lines. Okay, what are the lines that are here? First is vertical. So this is vertical. Up, down, vertical. Next we have horizontal. Horizontal. From your left to right or right to left. Okay, next we have diagonal. Diagonal, starting from up, slanting down. Up, slanting down. That's your diagonal line. Next we have dots. Dots, 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 dots. Okay, this is your dots. Next we have spiral. Again, spiral from inner to outer curves. Okay, this one. This is your spiral. Next we have curve. Curve. Okay, so this is a sign that this is a curve. Okay. Next we have the last one, zigzag. Zigzag. Up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so this is a horizontal zigzag. Zigzag. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. Shapes. Okay, so what are the shapes? We have here square, 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 rectangle, rectangle. We have triangle, triangle. Next we have oval, oval. Okay, next we have also star. Again, star. Next we have crescent, crescent. Next we have trapezoid, trapezoid, trapezoid. Next we have cross, cross, cross. And the last one is the heart. Again, heart. Okay, so those are your basic shapes. We have a lot of shapes, but I'm just going to show you these 9 kinds of shapes. Now let's move on with the colors. Colors. Okay, so we start with color red, red, red. Blue, blue, blue. Purple, purple, purple. Yellow, yellow, yellow. We have pink, pink, pink. Next we have green, green, green. Okay, next we have orange, orange, orange. And then the last color we have brown, brown, brown. Okay, so we have a lot of colors, but I will just give you some colors. I just give you some 8 kinds of colors. And then next, let's move on with your forms. Okay, so what are forms? Forms are like a shape, or it's an image that you can see in an object, okay, that you can draw in your paper easily. Okay, those are some forms. I'm going to show you some examples. So what kind of form is this? What form is this? This is a form of a cat. 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 Okay, next. What kind of form is that? What form is that? That is a form of a tree. Very good. Tree. Okay. And then the last one, what kind of form is this? Okay, so this is a house. Very good. That is a form of a house. Okay. And then next, we're going to have some activity. I'm sorry, we still have one more. We have surface. Surface. Again, surface. Surface. So we have 5 kinds of surface. First, we have this one, smooth. Smooth. I wrote some pasatay here. I hope these are correct. And this one are smooth. Smooth. Okay, next. We have this one, the cement, the one you can see in buildings or in the ground. You see that one as, or that feels like a rough one. Rough. It's very rough. Okay, the road is rough. Okay, so next one is the, what is that? That is your grass. Grass. Okay, spiky thingy in the outside. Okay, so that is a grass. Next, what is this? This is a flower vase, yes, but it is made of a clay. Clay. This flower vase is made of clay. Next one, the last one is this one. Okay, you can see this one in a big gymnasium. Okay, so you can see this one, or you call this one synthetic. 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 Okay, so this is a pasatay for synthetic. These are fake ones that they put in the ground so you won't be hurt. Okay, so those are your synthetic materials. Okay, so let's move on with our basic elements that we can observe anywhere. So let's have some example. Flowers and insects you see in the garden. If you see some flowers and insects in the garden, you can see some shapes, colors, and forms and surfaces. Okay, sorry for that. So, okay, next, the sun you see in the sea. Okay, the sun that you see in the sea. What is the form of the sun? It's like circle and it has some rays from outside the circle. Okay, so let's do this activity. Observe the picture. Let's read. Observe the picture and tell the basic elements that was used. Okay, let's see. Okay, so this is the picture. First, let's start with lines. Okay, what lines can you see in this picture? Okay, I see spiral. I see vertical. This one, vertical. I can see diagonal lines here, and I can see curved lines. Right? Okay, so next, let's go to shapes. Okay, shapes. What are the shapes that we can see in the pictures? Okay, I can see circle. I can see rectangle shapes. I can also see square. I can also imagine here a triangle. Okay, so those are the shapes. How about colors? Okay, what are the colors we can see in the picture? I can see color red, black, yellow, white, and green. Okay, so those are your basic elements. And the last one, surface. Okay, house is made up of cement or rough. So we can say rough. Surface is rough. This one, chimney, is made of clay. This one. And then the last one, I can see here some grass. Okay? So those are your basic elements. Let's move on with your worksheets. Let's go! and write the date when you're going to answer your worksheets. Okay, so topic will be visual art. We discussed that one a while ago. Test 1, I want you to draw what is asked. Draw at least 5 lines in each box. Okay, so number 1, example number 1, vertical lines. So I want you to draw 5 lines of vertical lines. Okay, so let's try. Let's draw 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertical lines. Okay, so did you understand? Same as goes with your horizontal lines, diagonal lines, dots, curved line, spiral lines, and zigzag. Okay na ka? Let's move on to your test 2. Okay, how to do this one? Test 2. Read to know the color of each shape and then circle the correct name of each shape. Okay, so what to do? First, let's use color green. Okay, the word is, the color inside the shape is color green. Okay, so I want you to color the shape, cross shape. You're going to color the shape with color green, okay? You can color it more beautiful, okay? You color it slowly but surely. Green. We color this one green because it was written in the shape, inside the shape. Okay, so next. What shape is this? What shape is this? Is it a cross or a heart? What's the answer? Is it A or B? Okay, so the answer is letter A. Okay, the answer is letter A. That's a cross shape. Okay, next. Sorry. Test 3. So it says here, write all the basic elements you can see in the picture. Okay, write all the basic elements you see in the picture. So what are the basic elements that you can see in the picture? So first, number 1 is color. The first box is colors. Okay, so you're going to write the colors that you can see inside this box. Okay, so what color can you see? It's color yellow. Okay, so you're going to write the word yellow here in the line. There you go. So you need to write 1, 2, 3 kinds of colors. Okay, so and the next one will be the shapes. Okay, you're going to look for 4 kinds of shapes in the picture and then you're going to write it in the blank. Okay, and the last one, surface. What are the surface that you can see in the picture? Write it in the blank. Okay, so did you understand? I hope you can answer your worksheet correctly. So see you again next time and thank you for listening. Goodbye. See you next time.